Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 5 of week 6 and we will continue with chapter 3 office automation. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson we have discussed about in-page Urdu editor. It is used to type and prepare and print a document in Urdu. There are many editing and formatting tools available in InPage, like for cutting, copying and pasting the text and many other. To create a new document, you will click on File menu and then click on New option and then make the settings according to your need and then click OK. A new document will be created in InPage. Today we will study that how to open and save the document in InPage. To open a document just like in MS Word, click the File menu, Open option and then Open dialog box appear. Select the document you want to open and then click Open. To save a document, follow the same procedure as we have followed for the MS Word. Navigate through File menu, Save As and Save dialog box will appear. Select the location to save your document like C drive, D drive, document where you want to save your document and then give the name of your document and click Save button. Formatting document. There are many options available for formatting a document. You can apply editing. You can apply many other formatting options like changing text style, text size, etc. First of all, I will discuss about cut, copy and paste options. Select the text you want to cut, copy, paste, undo or on which you want to apply some operation. And after that click on the edit menu and here you can see you have many options like cut option, paste special, undo, find and replace and many others. Shortcut keys for cut, copy and paste. To cut your text, first of all select your text and then press and hold down the control key and press X. The text will cut. And for copying, press and hold on control key and press C. For paste, press and hold down a control key and press V. This is for paste. Formatting text, you have various options like formatting a character, formatting a paragraph, and many other options. You can apply borders to your text. There are many other options. We will explore few. For example, you want to apply character level formatting. Here you can change the size of your text. You can change color of your text. You can change font of your text, font style of your text, like the one shown in image. You can see that after selecting the character from the formatting menu bar, the character dialog box will appear and here you can change the size, color and in the font name we have selected Noori Nastaliq. For paragraph formatting, as in the MS Word, we have remember that we have aligned our paragraph left, right or center. Left line aligns the text with left margin and right line aligns the text with right margin and center will keep the text in between the two margins. And you can also set the line spacing, that is space between the lines in the paragraph by using the line height and interline gap option. Changing language. In the in this Urdu editor, you can also write in English if you want to write a few words in English. For doing this, you will click on the language menu, language in the menu bar, and click toggle language. Toggle language will change the language from Urdu to English and from English to Urdu. Review. Today we have discussed about opening and saving document in InPage. For opening, you will navigate through File, Open and then Open dialog box will appear. For saving, you will navigate through File, Save As and then Save dialog box will appear. Formatting. For formatting document, you have various options like character formatting and paragraph formatting. I hope you all understand the lecture. This is the end of our lecture. Assignment. You have to practice all these formatting tools at home. Thank you.